In this video, we will learn about trees in C++. A tree is a hierarchical data structure. It is made up of nodes. The node at the top is called the root node. Each node can have one or more children. At the bottom of the tree are nodes that don't have any children. We call these nodes leaves. There are many types of trees in computer science, including binary trees, trees where each node has no more than 2 children, binary search trees that have higher values as right children and lower values as left children, and tries, trees with nodes that store letters and branch into different words. Let's learn how to implement a tree using C++ code. First, we will create a node class that has 3 public attributes, an int named value, a node pointer named left, and a node pointer named right. Then we will go inside of the main function. Let's create a node pointer named root that we set equal to a new node object. We'll also create a node pointer named leftChild, set to a new node, and a node pointer named rightChild, set to a new node. We will give root a value of 2, leftChild a value of 1, and rightChild a value of 3. After that, we will set root's left attribute to leftChild and root's right attribute to rightChild. Then we will output the tree to the console. Let's output a few empty spaces and then the value of the root. After that, we will output a new line, then a /, and then 2 backslashes. One of these is needed to escape the other, since backslashes are used as escape characters. Next, we will output a new line, then the value of root's left attribute, then some spaces, and then the value of root's right attribute. When we run the code, notice that a tree diagram is output with a root of 2, a left child of 1, and a right child of 3.